Colombia should be considered their travel plans. The risk of encountering crime, terrorism, civil unrest, and kidnapping is high in many parts of the country. The State Department released travel advisory guide to advise Americans not to travel to Colombia, Venezuela, or the region for any reason. This region has been the site of violent conflict between rival revolutionary guerrilla fighters in recent months. The risk of becoming a victim of crime, kidnapping, and armed conflict or detention, while there is high according to the State Department. Due to this risk, the U.S. government ability to provide emergency services to citizens visiting the region is limited. The state also advises Americans not to travel to Arauca, Cauca, and Norte de Santander departments for any reason due to high risk of encountering crime and terrorism.
South America.
They shut down roadways without notice, limit access to public transportation, interrupt travel in between cities, and become violent enough to cause injury and death, according to the State Department. They often target U.S. or local government facilities, tourist areas, attraction, transportation centers,